biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.
Cooking with stew. Bacon. I say this is the kokanee he smoked up. He bought him a really nice new Traeger. The beauty of a Traeger. I'm following you around, Stu.
Oh, I see that.
What are you cooking with? What are you? What?
I mean, what?
No way.
Act like we're fucking.
Oh,
Some
oh,
ratatouille
oh.
shit here.
F-bomb. F-bomb.
Oh yeah.
Beep.
I was in the Navy.
Yeah. Saline over the bows of Maine. I don't care what you say, Stuart. You're a sailor.
Perfect.
2 things of cream cheese?
Yeah, probably not. We'll see. Just warm this up. Right?
Oh, he really don't want to do this video. I just thought it'd be fun to share a recipe, and then I'll have a video recorded and be able to maybe try making it myself.
Teach your boy.
Yeah, I want Wayne to be here, so my son Wayne, he's getting pretty good at cooking, and he's enjoying it, and kind of wanting him in there, but he's not. Now you gotta. We can't do cooking with stew if you won't wait for the camera.
Opening bags.
So we gotta get the knife work.
Knife work. What's wrong with you?
Oh, there's a lot wrong with me, buddy.
You want to taste this kokanee?
Well, yeah. Oh, so I should have had a close up on that.
Mm.
Oh yeah. Give that a tender little biddles. Mm-hmm. You're good on that.
Oh yeah. Isn't that good?
Not dang good. I don't know if you guys have ever ate kokanee or a landlocked salmon. Oh my goodness, they're just delicious. Oh, wait.
That was cool. Make a mess.
Got the sizzle, buddy. I've been more impressed if you'd have got that all over my mom's floor.
Oh, she would have loved that.
I'm down here at my mom's house. We're gonna cook her. We over here is gonna cook her a stillhead and make a dip. Like when Stuart comes down, because I get to eat like a fat kid. He came up and helped on the cabin build. You guys can check that out. So on the channel, I've made playlists and jokingly just made some cooking videos, just messing around. And anyway, I think I might keep rolling and cooking stuff on there. Stuart came up, helped us roll some logs on the wall and cooked. And we may or may not have gotten to a bottle of whiskey. So. Yes, sir. That's a clean knife, clean hands, of course.
Always.
Oh, this is a ranch seasoning?
Yeah, just ranch mix. Simple.
Chicken and a biscuit over there in the corner. That's what we're gonna be dipping on. Look at them fish. Oh. Out of all the meats in the world, fish is the one I end up craving the most. Yes, you did a really nice job smoking them, Stu.
Yeah, it turned out nice. Hopefully no bones, except for that one. I won't see that one. Razzle dazzle.
Oh, you're warming that up by the bacon? Is that what you got going on? I was starting to think you were going to put it in with the bacon.
No, that'll be too much grease. Just getting it good and warm, that way it mixes with the cheese better.
I got you.
It's only supposed to take about 5 minutes to make.
Shipmate, tell me what you're looking for in your bacon. Do you want it crispy? You want
Oh, just right. I don't like it too crispy because then your dip gets super crunchy. I just like it just crispy enough to where it changes the consistency a little bit, but still nice and chewy, so you can spread it across the cracker without breaking it.
Gotcha.
That should about do it. A lot of people just take and make their cheese ball or their dip and then roll it in the bacon so it's on top, but then the only people that get bacon are the first couple ones to get a scoop of your dip, so I like to roll it right into the cheese mix so every fat kid gets a little piece of bacon.
Oh, good to be a fat kid. I'm in his way. Working on the angles, man.
That'll help soften the cream cheese up too.
Well, if you don't like bacon, I don't know what's the matter with you.
Get a fork real quick.
And you say you put the fish in towards the end so they don't...
Yeah, that way you don't wind up with just mush. Mix it all up and then mix the fish in at the end.
I gotcha.
Just because that bacon's hot, and then we'll mix it with the hands.
Let him get this all mixed up and throwing in the fish. I hope you guys are as hungry as I am, because that smells and looks. Of course, I've had it before, so I know what I'm looking forward to here. Look at me all serious. Look.
You should have a bigger bowl.
Would you just look? Would you look at that? Just look at it.
Actually, yeah, grab me a bigger bowl, would you?
Now he's getting all bossy.
Yeah.
Bigger bowl. Gotta be careful with the company you keep, you know. You put you to work. They're expecting too much out of you. Staying still fine.
Yeah, just something where I can put on the floor.
Well, I don't know if that's any bigger. So now we're dirtying up more dishes. That's what you get kids for. Is that the dinner bell or?
Yeah, pretty close.
Is it weird that I kind of want to lick your fingers when you're done with that? That's a little weird, isn't it?
Like them Doritos commercials. Yeah.
Well, is it time? Is it time?
It's time.
Oh, so long fishes. What do you call this, Stu? White trash fishy fish.
Delicious.
Delicious. Well, this is the recipe for delicious. So Stu does a lot of cooking, and you can follow him on Instagram. Was it Sandpoint Stew?
Yeah.
Sandpoint, like the town up northern Idaho. Sandpoint Stew. He's got a lot of cooking and stuff on there. Back in the day when I was cool, I had a snow bike. He's getting pretty good with his GoPro. I'm trying to talk him into doing a YouTube channel, just out riding his bike. Snow biking, so like timber sleds. What kit do you got?
I've got one of the newer Timber Sled Aero 137 or 129s.
And a little Yamaha like 125.
Shit.
might be an 80. I think he's riding an 80.
An 18 YZF 450 with blown engine right now.
Because he couldn't handle all the power, and he should have stuck with the 80. We've been friends since we were just little kids. Ran around, did all sorts of wild stuff together. And then I joined the Navy, and I joined young. I was only 17 back in 99. Well, you come down in 2000, huh?
Yeah. 2000.
And he was young too, only 18. So, now what are you doing? What are you putting in?
Well, that way we can flip it over onto a plate, pull the saran wrap off the top, just have one giant ball of dipping deliciousness.
Oh, I got you. All right. Quit asking stupid questions. Gosh dang, I think of how long we've known each other now. It's kind of a funny story. You moved to town, what, third grade?
Yeah.
Like in third grade when I met him, and a friend of ours introduced us. I used to think I could draw a little bit, and so he says, "Oh, Stuart's a pretty good artist." And he said, "Brendan likes to draw too." He looks at me and says, "All you can draw is flies." Well, apparently, where were you getting at, Stu? You trying to tell me I stunk?
I was an asshole back then.
He acts like that's past tense. Would you look at it? Would you just look at that?
I'm gonna try it.
Well, get in there, Steve.
I didn't put any jalapenos in because I know you can't handle your spice.
Oh, I love the spice. It just, yes, sir. Tears me up. What's that guy you don't care much for? Put that stuff on the cracker, dude. Get that onion. I like that guy. He cracks me up myself. Did you put that stuff on the cracker, dude?
Mm-hmm.
Got the seal of approval?
Yeah, it's all right.
All right. I better get in here. Do the chicken and a biscuit. Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.
Mm-hmm. Guys, give that a try. If you get you some smoked fish, or a good buddy can get to make it for you, or make it yourself. You don't want to be on camera. Hope you guys are all doing good. Catch you later.